Hi students, now I have come with subject verb agreement chapter and its advanced rules. So let's discuss what are the advanced rules. In first part I discussed the basic rules. Now in advanced rules, that is first of all I am going to start with collective nouns. So collective nouns as a unit. Collective nouns as a unit that carries singular verb. Please mind it, students. Collective nouns as a unit carries singular verb. Take for example, the team is winning. The team is collective noun and here is singular verb. The team is winning. Second example, the committee. Committee, here it is the collective noun. The committee has decided, singular verb. So I hope you won't be confused. Now in second advanced rule is that each, every, either, neither, these subjects or these pronouns, that is generally they carry singular verb. Each, every, either, neither. They carry singular verb. Every, and example is every child is present. So every child is present. Each student has a book. In both cases, singular verb has been used. Now third rule, indefinite pronouns. In case of indefinite pronouns, you will also use singular verb. Then you will ask कि what are indefinite pronouns? Everyone, someone, nobody, somebody, etc. So in that case, you have to use singular verb. Everyone is happy. Here is nobody knows the answer. So knows. Knows is here singular verb. Now fourth rule. Rule number 4 is titles, names and subjects. Though plural in form, they look like plural but they carry singular verb. You must mind it, titles, names and subjects. And I have selected two examples here, that is the United States. The United States is a powerful country. So the United States is the name of a country. So the United States is a powerful country. Now civics, mathematics, physics is my subject. Here I have written civics is my subject. So in case of name of subject, you will use singular verb. Now rule number 5. In rule number 5, in case of amounts, distances, time, that is, you will also use singular verb. 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers is a long distance. Kilometers. So it looks like plural subject, but you will use singular verb. 5,000 rupees is less amount. So 5,000 rupees each. Now you have to understand some more rules which I have not mentioned here. That is, in case of with, along with, that is 6 number, with, along with, along with, together with, so with, along with, together with, similar verb. That is, if the subjects are joined with, along with, together with, then you will also use similar verb. Example, he, along with his friends. He, along with his friends, visit, that is, visits his school. So here visits, it is the similar subject. In the same way, that is, in case of as well as. In case of as well as. Most of the students get confused in while using as well as. So, if sentences are joined with as well as, so in case of as well as, in earlier you read in case of either or neither nor, that is, you have to use the verb according to the nearest subject. But in case of as well as, you have to use verb according to first subject. According to first subject. First subject. In case of as well as, you will use the verb along with according to first subject. Example, he as well as his friends has done it. So here has, similar verb, according to he, first subject, he. So there are some more rules, but they are least important, and when I will discuss the editing or error finding, then in that case, or correction of sentences, in that case, the remaining 2 or 3 rules will also be used, and I hope that these basic and advanced rules will satisfy you. In spite of that, if you have any type of confusion, then you will raise this question, and that is certainly, I hope you would subscribe to the video and like it. Thank you all.